Hello everyone, it's Megan from Coffee Cups and Crayons, and I am here today with a very cool thing to show you. I'll give you a little sneak peek. It's a robot. Here's the thing, normally when you see me on Hangouts, I have the cute little thing at the bottom showing my name and everything, but today we're not doing that because I'm actually going to show you how this robot works. It's part of a robotics class that Sylvan Learning is starting. It's called the EDGE program, and one of their cool classes is robots. And they sent me some to play with, so I have a little sneak peek for you. If you have a child who loves STEM or doesn't, or just someone that you want to experience some kind of cool new things, this is very fun. I will tell you that we've had it at our house for a couple days now, and my kids and my husband are obsessed with playing with it. So I'm going to give you a little sneak peek. What it is you can see there's Legos. So in the class, they use this kind of Lego robot software that you may have heard of. It's crazy cool. So there's all these little pieces, and there's a ton of different things you can make. So the kids get to construct and build their own things. Sounds awesome to begin with. But my favorite part as an educator and a parent is how open-ended and how focused it is on problem solving. And you'll see why. Because they don't just build and play around with until they get the design they like. They actually get to program it and play around with the programming to get it to do whatever you want. So it's not that, oh, here's a list of instructions and here's how you do it. It's open-ended, and critical thinking skills are needed for this one, which is a huge focus for me on my blog and with my family. And so that's kind of why I'm so into it, and also why my kids can't stop playing with it, because it is hands-on, so it's fun. So basically, once you've designed whatever you're going to design, my kids are extremely into soccer right now, so we started with the soccer cool thing. So there's a bunch of different soccer things you can do, and this is a soccer kicker. So what happens is, you know, the kids get to build it. There's people that are trained to kind of walk through them this or whatever, but they get to build it. There's different sensors you can add. There's motion, there's sound, there's different things. And then it's connected to the computer, which they will each get to use, with a USB drive. Now, the cool part. So there's software that they use to actually program it to do what they want it to do. And they can change it around as much as they want. So I'm going to kind of show you, and in doing so, I'm going to put the webcam down, so kind of bear with me a little bit here while I do this. Let's see, let's get this set up so that you can see it. Okay, so how about right there? Good. So here's the soccer kicker robot, and here's the cute little colorful soccer balls that my kids came up with. So we're going to leave these right here. I'm going to open up the software on my computer, and I'm going to show you how you can kind of program it to use the motion sensor to kick the soccer ball. Oop. Or just to go because I'm moving. Let's see. Ready? Let's see if I can get the right spot. Try again. Oop, missed. So the way I have it set right now, there's a bunch of different codes. If I was a better thrower, you would be able to see more. But so there's a bunch of different codes that I moved up and dragged and dropped to get it to do this. But it can do more things. I mean, really, it's like I should also be able to kick a soccer ball. This is making me look bad. My kids can do this all the time. Let's see. I'm try it one more time, and then I'm going to add in some stuff. Still. Yay! Okay, so there's how you can see how it can work. Well, on the screen that I can't share with you, just based on the Hangout technology, I can add some new things. So I'm going to go in and add a little applause code, and I'm going to do it again. It's cheering because I move. Yay! Here, I'll put this over here and try it again. And go. Yay! Okay, so now once here, let's move. I have to do a little, I can't see you right now, so just bear with me for a second. I am going to add another piece of coding, if I can get it in there. Awesome. That will continuously play it. So after that, they can start to have contests with their friends. And so there's all these different like things, bits of code on there that they get to move around. Whoa, baby. Let's see. No, of course I can't. Oh, how I probably needed the robotics class when I was young. Here, I'll turn this off so you can kind of see me for a second. So what they could do is experiment with it. So then once they have a working model, it's very easy to play around with it and test, develop hypotheses about which way would work. There's little gears that they get to choose which way it goes. They can change the timing. They can change the sensors. And then they can test it out. And they can have little contests against each other. And there's all different sorts of ones you can make. You can make an alligator that actually eats something to test. And all of these different kinds of things with basic technology. I mean, this doesn't seem like it's going to do that much, but the amount of open-ended problems that the kids are able to solve with just a few pieces and a little bit of training is kind of amazing. So that might be something that you would want to check out. I know my kids are very interested in it. And I think that everybody would kind of like it, even if you don't have a science loving kid yet. All right, well, that concludes this hangout. I will leave some more information if you are interested in how this works or anything about where a center would be located near you and all of that kind of stuff. I will leave that in the comments so that you can call and set something up. Have a great day.